long. It still don't feel since you not here. I have to come to terms and not shed a tear. It's been 4 months since you been gone. Can't accept it. Your phone's number still in my phone. Damn. I'm gonna start from the top. Okay.
All right. You know, start from me.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah. I remember long tongues in front of your driveway. We both vented to each other every day. You never sugarcoated, always kept it real. Wasn't what I wanted to hear. You the real deal. You always helped. Never told me nothing wrong. Your answers were direct, but not too long. It still don't feel the same since you not here. I have to come to terms. I won't shed a tear. It's been 4 months since you been gone. Can't accept it. Your number's still in my phone. I just like to call to hear your voicemail. We were so close. I cannot well. My sorrowness would not bring you back. I gotta deal with it. God cut me slack. Throughout the years, you stayed a true friend. I still feel your spirit. It never ends.
All right. That was good. So
all right. Say this hook one more time.
We're gonna run back with the hook.
Okay.
All right. It's gonna come from. You'll see where it pick up at.
Okay.
Let's go. We got my man T Real in the studio.
Yeah.
VMT Productions is going down live studio session. Y'all seen behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes, we getting it in. We don't sleep. You know what I'm saying? Steve Harvey said in the interview, rich people don't sleep 8 hours a day. We don't sleep.
Stock market is up.
Yes. It's team no sleep.
All right.
When I vision a deep bond, it's a disaster when it breaks. Gotta be prepared in case death awakes. And think twice before making decisions. I now saw death, so I got dark visions. When I vision a deep bond, it's a disaster when it breaks. Gotta be prepared in case death awakes. And think twice before making decisions. I now saw death, so I got dark visions. Yeah.
Good, knock that one out.
Yeah. Wish it was some way I can loop it and then I'd be like, rest in peace, and then, you know what I'm saying? Wish I could do that, but it cut off, so I'm good.
Alright. Let me go back.
SK hits in this flow. I got a lot in this flow. Alert. Never caught him a lot in this flow. Thinking us touring around the atlas. He was always alert. Never caught him gatless. The conversations had stays with me for life. I think of it. He told me can't always say what you want to do. Certain situations don't know what you might do. His knowledge made my ambitions grow. Therefore, I got a lot in this flow. Thinking us touring around the atlas.
Hey, tell this nigga right here, yeah, what time it is, yo. Tell that nigga VMT is what's popping and where you at right now, yeah. This nigga Kendall, he be thinking I be bullshitting.
Yeah, man, we're in live. I'm in Victor God's studio, man. VMT Productions, you know what I mean? I'm in my recording session, you know what I'm saying? Bam, knocked it out like a punching bag. Once again, you know what I'm saying?
But tell that nigga, he be thinking.
We don't BS. Vic don't BS, man. He kept it real with me from day one, man. I lied to you not.
He told me can't always say what you want to do. Certain situations don't know what you might do. His knowledge made my ambitions grow. Therefore, I got a lot in this flow. Thinking us touring around the atlas. He was always alert. Never caught him gap.
something else. Alright, I'm gonna get back with y'all, man. On live. Oh, this nigga right here got jokes already. I might have to stay up here. Look, he laughing. He got issues, yo. That nigga got like a laughing disorder. He got a laughing disorder or some shit, yo. Like, this nigga be laughing at nothing, yo. I be like, yeah, man, just got engaged. He be like, nigga be laughing and shit for no reason. I be like, the fuck wrong with that nigga, yo?
Yeah.
That nigga got issues, man. Somebody dropped that nigga on his head when he was a little.
Hey, I can't say that. I don't know him. So
I know him, yo. That's all that nigga do is joke. He joke in school like that. He alright. Like, he just, he got 45,000 followers, so I can't be mad at him.
Oh, that's what's up. I'm trying to get my followers up. You know, I don't know if people know this, but it's a way that you can pay to get more followers on Instagram. You can start off at $10 and work your way up. You know, for
well, that's what you're saying. He got paid. You got paid followers, yo.
Oh no, I ain't saying that. I'm just saying it's a way people can do that. It actually helps because this chick who rap and stuff, who manages her son, told me about that. I can get my views up like that. So I ain't hating on no nigga. Big ups to you.
I don't know what he got going on.
Yeah. We live
out here, man.
VMT Studios.
I got money on the table, man. Let me finish what I'm doing, and I'm gonna come back and fuck with you, man.